Okay, we got a 1999 Chevy Prizm. Has new tires. It has really low miles, like I think 85,000, but I'll check and show in the video. A little ding right there on the quarter panel, but otherwise everything works great. It is this version used a Toyota engine actually. It's a Chevy Prizm, but it's actually a Toyota Corolla. I guess that's just something that Chevy did back then. They partnered with Toyota. But anyway, clean inside. It's just, you know, a basic little car. Power windows. Everything works. Everything works great. I haven't turned it on in, I don't know, a week or so. Runs great. AC is cold, which doesn't matter at this point in the year, but you can see 85,000, almost 86,000 miles. No lights, just seat belt and saying I've got my emergency brake on. Take that off, everything's good. So runs great, no problems, just don't need this car. Everything works, power windows, all that stuff. Good little car.